Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now I bring you this tip so you can clean your microwave oven in an easier way and without much effort. And without putting the grease or any other chemical that is worse in the long run. Since there we heat our food, drinks and also disinfect the baby's bottles, etc. As you can see, this microwave is not that dirty, since my wife cleans it quite often, but with this tip we can get rid of all the dirt that sticks to the sides, between the door, the corners and in the different crevices, was simply to clean it more thoroughly. So let's see what we are going to need to leave it spotless. What we are going to need is a kitchen cloth or the one we use to clean the oven, the liquid or powder soap, whichever you use or prefer, and a container where we can dissolve the soap with the water as if we were going to wash the dishes. But it must be very foamy as I show you below, since that is where we are going to submerge the cloth so that it is well impregnated with the soap and releases the necessary steam to clean the oven, and that is the only thing we will need. We grab our cloth and immerse it perfectly in the container with water and soap so that it is completely soaked in it, because that is how we are going to use it in the oven. We'll not wring it out since we will need it to be completely wet. Having completely submerged the cloth in the soapy water, we put it directly in the oven since we want it perfectly soaked. We put it on the turntable if yours has one, if not, put it in the middle of it and it will have the same effect. And depending on your microwave, you'll set it to heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't put it on defrost popcorn, pizza, or any other mode you have. And so we wait until we see it start to steam. After a few minutes have passed, you'll see how it starts to release steam and the glass of the microwave will fog up, which is what we're looking for. Just be very careful, because if your microwave is very powerful, the cloth may start to catch fire. If this happens, just turn off the appliance and turn off the cloth, either by covering it with a container or another wet cloth. But this is very rare. Just be very careful to avoid accidents. Once it has finished heating up and releasing all the steam, open the microwave door and you will notice that all the moisture from the cloth is all over the appliance, on the door, the glass, and all over the inside, and that is what will remove all the dirt from it. Just wait a little while, since the cloth will be very hot. Just touch it to see how hot it is and wait the necessary time to start cleaning. Now that you have waited long enough for the cloth to reach a temperature that you can withstand, remove the turntable and the wheels that move, and you can now easily begin to clean your oven. You will see that any dirt or grease it had will come off very easily, and without putting any type of chemical that in the long run can do much harm to us. Go over all sides so that it is shiny, and believe me, you will be surprised with the result. Thank you. Once we finish wiping it with the cloth, we grabbed a paper towel to dry any excess liquid that might have remained, and also to remove any accumulated dirt that might have remained so that it is completely dry and ready to use. Finally, we move on to the turntable to complete cleaning the entire oven. We put it in position and that's it. Our oven is now more than shiny, disinfected, and I repeat, without any type of chemical that could harm us in the future. Well, as you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give it a like on the Facebook page, and check out the other videos, as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching us, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.